Guys, you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is the beauty, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually we were having a hair and makeup transformation. And Miss Muhammad, yeah guys, yeah, and there's the hair we'll be using. Yeah. This hair is from Licheehair. Yeah, Licheehair. Can you see how it looks like? The hair comes like this. I can't just believe it. It comes like this. I love the packaging. Oh Lord, I've never received anything that has a very gorgeous packaging like this. I love the packaging. I love everything about this hair. Let me show you all the things that this hair comes with. Please open it for them. Can you see? This is how the hair comes. It's a short bob. Yeah.
This is the hair?
This is the hair? Good. And it came with this. Let me read it for them. It says, dear, thank you for choosing Licheehair. You are our important client. We will try our best to give you a happy shopping experience. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. We will help you all time. Best wishes, Licheehair. Trust me, they meant all these words because I've never seen any like hair company that reply to my email fast. They reply so fast. I love how they reply to me. Like after maybe sending them an email, they reply to me like after in the next some minutes, not even hours, some minutes, I will receive their reply. I love everything about this hair. And let me show you the more thing that this hair comes. It comes with this band. Yeah guys, they got you covered. And at the same time, it came with this wig cap, yeah, that you can use. Then apart from the wig cap, it comes with a very beautiful human hair eyelashes. Wow. You know what I love this hair? Let me make an example for you. Just for example, you're going on a honeymoon or maybe you're going on a vacation. You can just order this kind of hair. You have everything covered. All you need is just a glue. That's all. You just go with your glue and you're covered. You can style your hair yourself because they have everything covered inside this pack. And I love the packaging. You can get this hair for a friend maybe, or for your girlfriend, or for a friend, or for your mom also, because they will definitely love this hair. At the same time, they will love the packaging. I love the packaging. It says best wishes and memory for you. Yeah, I know definitely will have an everlasting memory about this hair. So you all should please stay tuned because we'll be having a transformation and Miss Muhammad a baby doll transformation. You all should please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, let it go viral guys. And if you want this kind of hair, I'll be dropping the link down my description box. Licheehair, I'll be dropping the link down my description box. Apart from this very hair, they have a lot of gorgeous and beautiful hair wigs on their website. So I'll be dropping the link down my description box. And trust me, you will love their hair. I love this hair so much. And before that, let me just roll into the video. Yeah, so that you all will understand what I'm talking about. So you all should please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to share some.
Yeah, and please don't forget to purchase this hair on Licheehair website. I'll be dropping the link down my description box. Trust me, I'll be having a discount code there and stuff like that. So please, and don't forget to subscribe to Miss Muhammad YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to share some.
Still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is a beauty, babies.
out of there leak to. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. And she clean it with her face, but you love your baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain. Look what you've done.
Wow. You guys. Yeah.
So guys, that's the end of the hair installation for today. Actually, for those of you asking the type of glue we use to install our hair, is 5D glue. And if you want to purchase this glue, don't forget to...
Yeah, you can get it at Hair by Remix on Instagram. Yeah, I'll be dropping his link down my description box.
And his shop is located at
The Gracious Mall here at Barnawa. Yeah, so I'll be dropping his link down my description box. I'll be dropping his phone number down my description box. And trust me guys, it's so affordable. Show them how it looks like, please. This is how it looks like.
Actually guys, the glue stays very long. More than you can imagine. I use this glue. Can you imagine that we use this glue for more than, I took it for more than 2 weeks. We had to use spirit to wipe it off, to take the glue off my hair. We had to use this spirit to take it off my hair because the glue is so good. You can even take it for more than 2 months. And I told him that I just want the glue to last for like 2 weeks. But trust me guys, we had to use spirit to take it off. It's very good and it's affordable.
Do you know what I said, guys? I said if you are going to for BB Niger, this is the best glue for you.
It's the best glue for you. You will take it will last for more than 3 months.
Yeah guys, so please don't forget to subscribe to his Instagram handle, Hair by Remix. This is the name at this very site. At the same time, I'll be dropping his link down my description box. I'll be dropping his phone number down my description box. Please don't forget to share us and don't forget to share him some love. Yeah guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J Black, and Miss Mama is a beauty, babies.
Tryna put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes. Nearly point two just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them. None of these toys on lease to. Made the whole year in a week too. Main chick out of their league too. Side chick out of their league too. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. And she clean it with her face, but you love your baby. Talking money, need a hearing aid. They talking about you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain. Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy. Look what you've done.
guys, that's the end of the video for today. Actually guys, I love this hair. It's so soft, lightweight, it doesn't shade. Yeah. I love it and it's curly. So if you want to purchase this kind of hair, can you see guys, it doesn't shade. Can you see my hands? So if you want to purchase this kind of hair, we'll be dropping their link down our description box so that you guys can reach out to them. Licheehair. Yeah, I love this hair so much. Actually, apart from this very short bob hair, they have a lot of different kind of hair. Amazing, gorgeous hair. I'll be dropping the link down my description box. Yeah, and I'll be dropping maybe a discount code that you can, yeah, sure, you can have a discount code from me. Apart from that, I'll be dropping their Instagram handle down the description box. Guys, I love this hair so much. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. Can you see how it looks like? This is how it looks like. If you want it to be more coily, more than, you can apply maybe a mousse or water, but I just spray, but I just don't like it to be more. I don't like too much coils, so that's why I leave it like this. So for those of you that like this kind of human hair, because this is a human hair, if you like this kind of human hair, I'll be dropping the link down my description box, because apart from this very short bob, I repeat, they have a lot of gorgeous hair. Yeah guys, so guys, trust me, you all know that I'll never review anything that's not just good on this channel. I love this hair so much. It does not shade. Ms. Mama, please kindly show them an example. Yeah, nothing. So guys, I love this hair so much. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Miss Mama's YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show some love. Yeah guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J Black. I'm Miss Muhammad in the building, babies.